Realtors, this one's for you. If you've ever told an AI, write my listing, and it replied with a love letter to granite countertops, welcome to prompt engineering, the art of telling a very eager robot exactly what you want, so it stops writing poetry and starts helping you get to closing. In the next few minutes, I'll show you a fast way to talk to AI that gets you MLS-ready remarks, cleaner CMAs, better follow-ups, and fewer late-night rewrites. Less horoscope, more escrow. Prompt engineering is simple. Give clear instructions about what you want, who it's for, how long it should be, what landmines to avoid, and what shape the result should take. Think of it like handing your assistant a neat checklist instead of yelling, "Make it pop" from the hallway. Clarity in, quality out. Here's the mini framework we'll use all day. Role, task, constraints, context, format, examples. And a seasoning shaker called SALT. Style, audience, length, tone. If you remember nothing else, remember SALT. A prompt without SALT is like an open house without signs. Technically happening, but nobody's finding it. One more thing that saves headaches. Modern AI follows an instruction stack like this. System rules at the top, then developer rules, then your prompt. If instructions conflict, higher wins. Translation. Put your non-negotiables at the top of your prompt, like avoid fair housing risks, no demographic or school quality claims, no safety statements, no unverifiable superlatives. Now the model knows what not to do before it does anything cute. When facts matter, don't ask the model to remember the MLS. Paste the facts. Say use only the data below. Do not invent details. And if the task is subjective, ask for 2 or 3 versions and pick the best. That trick is called self-consistency, and it's how you stop arguing with a single mediocre draft. Now let's get practical. I'm going to rapid-fire examples you can copy, tweak, and use today. Example 1. MLS public remarks under a character limit. Try, you are an MLS-savvy listing copywriter. Goal, factual, benefit-led public remarks under 750 characters. SALT, style clean and scannable. Audience first-time buyers, length 740 characters, tone professional and grounded. Constraints, avoid fair housing and safety language, no school quality claims, no emojis, no superlatives without facts. Context 3BR 2BA, 1750 SF, 2018 roof, impact windows, new HVAC 2023, fenced yard, 2-car garage, quarter-acre lot, 12 minutes to downtown. Output, plain text only. Let's dive into practical examples, starting with crafting effective broker remarks. Try this. You are an MLS compliance assistant. Task, broker remarks up to 450 characters with showing instructions and offer notes. Constraints include no inducements in public remarks. Keep them here if allowed by rules. Context, super lockbox, 24-hour notice, POF required, preferred title, ABC title, seller needs 30-day post-occupancy. Output, plain text. Next, let's explore how to generate a CMA outline that is easily explainable. Use this prompt. You are a pricing strategist. Task, create a CMA outline using only the comps below. Do not invent data. Include subject summary, adjustments, logic explained in one short table, pricing range low, likely, high with 1-sentence rationale each, and risks and sensitivities. SALT, style analytical, audience seller, length 350 to 450 words, tone neutral, context, double quote, single quote, double quote, output, plain text. Now for efficient lead triage and reply, all in one swift action. Try, you are an inside sales assistant. Task, read the inquiry and classify intent and timeline, then draft one email reply with a single action-driving question. Constraints, no promises about particular homes or times, keep it helpful. Context, relocating in March, budget $850,000, need 3 BR near hospital. Output, intent, timeline, obstacles, reply as plain text. Moving on to social captions that avoid compliance issues. Prompt, you are a social copywriter. Task, write 5 Instagram captions for a reel featuring 123 Maple Avenue. Constraints, up to 140 characters each, no demographic or school quality language, 3 tasteful hashtags max, no emojis in the first 8 words. SALT, style snappy, audience move up buyers, tone energetic, output numbered list. For open house follow-up, here's a drip campaign strategy. Prompt, you are a nurture specialist. Task, 3 follow-up emails after open house. Each includes subject, 1-line preview, and body up to 120 words with 1 clear CTA. Constraints: no pressure, no demographic claims. Context, double quote, single quote, double quote. Tone, consultative. Next, learn how to deliver a calm price improvement update. Try, you are a listing comms assistant. Task, announce a price improvement with value-forward framing. S.A.L.T, style clear, audience buyers and agents, length 90 to 110 words, tone professional. Constraints: no market timing promises. Avoid motivated seller. Context: new price $799,000. Improvements include 2018 roof, 2023 HVAC. Output: plain text. Let's practice objection handling through role-play scenarios. Prompt: you are a negotiation coach. Task: create short agent responses to common seller objections. Include: Zillow says X, we want to overprice and test, we'll wait for spring, we don't want pre-inspection. Tone: confident and respectful. Limit each response to 45 words. For market updates, generate summaries using only your CSV data. Prompt: you are a market analyst. Task: summarize this month using only the CSV below. Define DOM, MOI, and SP/LP once. Give 3 buyer takeaways and 3 seller takeaways. Add 1 risk to watch. Constraints: use only the provided data. Output: headline and bullet lists in plain text. Achieve dual outputs without any drama or complications. Try, you are an MLS rules helper. Task: create 2 versions. Public remarks up to 800 characters and broker remarks up to 450. Constraints: public cannot include inducements or contact info. Broker may include showing instructions. Context: double quote, single quote, double quote. Also list any compliance warnings in 1 line at the end. For showing confirmations, craft SMS messages that don't feel spammy. Prompt: you are a courteous scheduler. Task: 150-character SMS confirming tomorrow's 3:30 showing at Maple Avenue and asking for simple Y or N. Include agent initials only, no links. When screening investors, start with the crucial numbers. Prompt: you are an analyst. Task: summarize a duplex for investor screening. Include purchase price, estimated rent per unit, taxes, insurance, estimated capex, DSCR at 7.0%, and break-even occupancy. Use only the numbers I provide. If missing, ask exactly 3 clarifying questions. Output: short bullet list. Finally, describe neighborhoods without fair housing risk. Prompt: you are a compliance-trained copywriter. Task: describe location benefits using amenities, commute times, parks, transit, dining, and nearby employers. Avoid demographic and safety language, 80 to 100 words, tone informative. These AI prompts offer powerful tools for real estate agents to enhance efficiency and maintain compliance in their daily operations. By integrating these strategies, you can elevate your client service and professional output. For photo alt text that helps search, try this prompt. You are a listing SEO assistant. Generate alt text for 15 photos using room name plus key feature and material, under 12 words each, no hype. Output: numbered list. Another example is for a repair request summary. Use you are a transaction coordinator. Summarize inspection findings into a repair request organized by health and safety, systems, structure. Continue with 2 specific items per section, no adjectives, reference page and line if provided, tone professional. This ensures clarity and professionalism. For consistency, specify exact fields. For example, output fields, headline, 3 buyer takeaways, 3 seller takeaways, and 1 risk. No extra text. If you simply say, give me JSON, the AI may provide a creative interpretation which your spreadsheet won't enjoy. A vague prompt like, write me a listing, often results in a sonnet about countertops. A better prompt is, you are an MLS-savvy copywriter. Goal: 120-word public remarks for first-time buyers. S.A.L.T, style feature-led, audience first-time buyers. Length 110 to 130 words, tone optimistic and factual. Add constraints. Avoid fair housing and school-quality language. Include year built, upgrade years, parking, and distance in minutes to downtown. Context, output, plain text. This detailed approach transforms vague requests into something your broker can approve, ensuring compliance and accuracy. Want a reusable prompt? Try this. You are my AI real estate assistant. Non-negotiables. Avoid fair housing risks and safety language. Do not make demographic or school quality claims. No unverifiable superlatives. Then specify your SALT parameters. Style equals your style. Audience equals your audience. Length equals your range. Tone equals your tone. Task, what you want. Context, paste facts only. Constraints, character limits and MLS rules. Format, plain text or the exact fields you want. Produce 2 alternatives and include a 1-line rationale for each. Before publishing anything affecting people or money, evaluate. Ask for 3 versions, pick the best, and spot check facts against MLS or your documents. Keep a banned phrases list taped to your monitor. No family-friendly, safe neighborhood, great schools, or demographic targeting. If a claim would make your broker raise an eyebrow, leave it out or source it properly. That's prompt engineering for realtors in one coffee break. Use role, task, constraints, context, format, and examples. Season with SALT. Paste facts when facts matter. Ask for options when stakes are high. Do this, and your AI stops writing odes to stainless steel and starts producing clean, compliant copy that moves your deal forward. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and drop your favorite real estate prompt in the comments. I'll turn the best ones into a live demo. No poems about countertops, I promise.